Okay. Selamun alaikum. Sorry guys. Hey guys, what's poppin'? What's going on, everybody? Mr. Dick, you're in once again. What's cooking? Good looking. We just out here, man. We are hustling, as always. Joe Stas Izzy, welcome. Welcome to the stream. This is my first time seeing you here, so I hope you're grinding. I hope the grind is always good, you know. What's cracking, everybody? What's cracking? Tell me about your grind. I'm gonna pour some water in the meantime, cause I have some ass too, you know. Got some assy water. You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna pour that bitch into my shaker. Yo, Adam, what's poppin', dude? I'm hungry as fuck. Be right back. What, dude? Okay, sure. You just like joined the stream and dipped. Okay, it's fair enough. So, my day was pretty grindy, I would say. I've been just grinding all the time. I still couldn't grind the YouTube shorts that much today. I need to focus on that a bit. Drop in the stream, then leave for McDonald's night job. Classic Adam. Yeah, I mean, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. He's just like an open source developer by day, and then McDonald's employee by night, probably. McDonald's is a weird place when you go there at night. Have you ever done that? I mean, yeah, I mean, obviously everyone done that before, right? I was there one time. There's one like 24/7 hour, what do you call it, like always open McDonald's, you know. And I went there, and I was just writing Rust as always, and it was just weird, dude. The smell was fucking diabolical. That shit was interesting. Not interesting, but you know, like weird. Like I am like 100% sure they have some back rooms going on, like behind the counter somewhere, you know. Salute to Ratpack. Ratpack is a nice community name. I like that. Should call something Ratpack in the future, probably. Let me just keep that in mind. I was at McDonald's at 4 a.m. They just opened after 1 hour break. How do I know? Next question. Dude, you opened it, you know? Like, we all know that you worked there. So, you know all the details. You opened the McDonald's after your 1 hour break. Like, it's very obvious. Stop playing. But how many other places do you know that will get you that late night snack? It's not late night snack. It's like artificial food. It's not real. Come on. I know at least like couple of places. We have some like very famous, not famous, but like kind of, I don't want to say traditional. My Turkish viewers, they know what I'm talking about. We have some like soup places where you can, you know, you can go at night and like have some soup. They're like a fucking a gazillion flavors of soup out there, so it's like it's an actual thing, and usually like drunk people go there. But I mean, that's like, you can go there, obviously, like you don't have to be drunk, but it's like a bit more preferable if you're like drunk and you want to like have some snack. You just go there. It's like hydrate. It's good for hydration, you know. It's good for your gains, you know what I'm saying. So like it's good for a snack too. Like apart from McDonald's, we have those places, is what I'm saying basically. McDonald's is so expensive now, but why do I care? I'm not a customer. And I mean, I guess you meant that the pay is low instead of McDonald's is expensive, because I mean you're getting paid from there, you know. Adam, you're just a McDonald's employee from now on. It will be just a running joke in the stream. Sorry, we don't have two places. Or dude, shut up. You don't live in Turkey. I don't know who you are, but you probably if you're in Turkey, you're probably in like some very obscure place. I'm just basically trying to make you expose yourself, but that was not successful probably. I guess Poland is more famous for night kebab places, like probably most of Europe, I guess. I mean, we don't have that here, to be honest. Like in Ankara, you can find some places, but not in my town, because I mean, my town is like super small. Speaking of, I ate a kebab a couple of days ago, a very good one. Yeah, that, I can tell. I mean, you still remember it, so that should be good. Basketball, that's good to know. Mr. Dick's name started with B. That's not like that was not a good hint. Like I don't know any. First of all, I don't know anybody in real life. Like I don't have any friends, so like how would I know? Like you know, you should give me more hints, or you should just tell me his name. Like why are we playing a game here? Also, I don't want to know who he is, okay? I don't care. Because, I mean, he's so mysterious and so fucking weird that I like him as Mr. Dick, okay? Is eating out in the USA that expensive? I feel like 2 meal would cost around $40. I don't think anyone in the chat is from USA. But let's see, maybe someone's from United States, I don't know. I mean, we have just like, Polish and Turkish people in the chat, usually. That's my audience. I don't know where Martin is from, actually. Where are you from, Martin? Maybe I saw that on your GitHub profile. I don't remember. I'm not sure if kebab lore is as spoiled in Turkey as it is in Europe, considering we basically stole it from you and then warped it beyond recognition. Yeah, I mean, it's not... Yeah. It is basically like... It's not that of a big of a deal here. Like, it's good, like, you can eat it, but I mean, it's not a super rated. It's kind of overrated. I don't know. I don't want to speak bad about kebab, dude. I don't want to commit that sin, okay? I'm just gonna keep my words in my mouth and not spit them out. Czech Republic, so Southern Poland. God damn it, dude. Everyone is from freaking Poland or just somewhere near. Okay, guys. I love all my Polish homies. You guys are the best. I mean, I should just go back to Duolingo one day and keep learning Polish and losing my mind, but not today, guys. But good to know. Good to know, dude. I need more Turkish people here. Come on, Mr. Dick. What are you doing? Yeah, sir. Come on, guys. Just bring your friends here, okay? We need to get these people outnumbered, all right? But do you want to speak about pavilions? You know, greeting. Hey, man. Hi, how's it going? My man knows all about all the good stuff. You know, Furkan, how's it going? Okay, we are 3 Turkish people now, I guess. So it's still good, but still outnumbered. Fuck. The world is basically Poland, Turkey, and some obscure remote lands. Dude, don't forget about Mauritius, okay? Mauritius, my homie is from Mauritius, and I don't want you to not include that in your list, okay? Kebab is not negotiable. Hello, chat. I love it. Hey, Off Black, we love it too. That's the best project ever. Thank you for your thank you for spreading love. I apologize to Mauritius. Come on. Thank you. Can I just get your moderator permissions now? Because I mean that one was a huge mistake that you made. But anyways, I'll let it slip for this time. This time only though. Don't ever forget it. Hit that like button if you're not from Turkey and Poland. Neutral. Nobody's gonna hit the like button then. What the fuck? That's strike number 1. Guys, I mean, Turkish people watching the stream, guys, bring your friends, all right? I know that you have some friends that will want to learn some Rust and like some fun terminal stuff. So just share this, share my channel on your socials, share it on fucking Instagram or whatever. Share it on TikTok. I know you homies are just using TikTok, all right? Fucking Gen Z people. But I don't want to spread hate here, all right? I know that you guys are awesome, so just like just help me out here, all right? No one's from both Turkey and Poland. Check your formal logic. Yeah, I mean that one was a was a mistake, Mr. Dick. Come on, I don't have one. You don't have what? Friends? Guys, let's start in 5 minutes because I feel like I'm very. Wait a minute. Yeah, I'm just I don't know. I'm talking too much right now, but I don't want to stop now. So let's just start in 5 minutes, all right? But I mean, for real though. I mean, my maximum viewer count on the stream it is like I don't know 15 or 20. I think we saw 20 people on the stream, right? Transistor, you know all the stats, dude. What was the maximum viewer count that you remember? Don't care where you are from, as long as you are not an asshole. Yeah, good one. That's my community. That's going into my community guidelines. That's a good thing to say. But I mean, there's like a inner joke, because you know on Discord when somebody new joins, they are usually from Poland, and we are like, okay, another Polish guy and another Polish guy and so on. So it's kind of funny, but I'm not saying anything bad about those people. It's just Polish, dude. Dude, don't publish Minecraft shorts. Kids will start watching you. I mean, you guys are all kids anyway, so like, I mean, Mr. Dick, you're probably like 15 or years old or something. So what are you talking about, dude? I like all the Minecraft shorts. Dude, I mean, I played Minecraft, okay? That's my content now. What am I gonna do? Not publish shorts? That's like I mean, that's no-brainer, dude. I mean, I'm gonna post some Minecraft shorts, get some subscribers, and then we're gonna go big. But still 7 people is watching, dude. What the fuck? I need to go hundreds, okay? Not really, I'm just kidding. I like when the stream is very, very small. I like the small communities. Well, we are all kids or LLMs. Your viewer count is 0. We aren't real. God damn it. Why am I talking to myself? Okay, I'm just gonna shut up now. You know, if you have streamed before, you know that this thing is very weird because you're basically talking to a computer and there's some like text that you're reading and you're like responding to that. It's very fucking weird. I mean, if you look at me from outside, if you just like open this door and just look at me, look at what I'm doing, you're like, this guy is insane. He's just wearing a penguin hat, looking at 2 screens and then reading something off of the screen and just talking to himself. What the fuck is going on, dude? What is this, right? But I mean, yeah, I just made like $40 from YouTube so far, so just gonna keep pushing, man. Let's get those viewers in. Let's get those Polish people, Turkish people. Come on. Emotional damage. Let's play 140 and make a 140 shorts a thing. Yeah, we can do that. I need to buy the game and install it first though. Kids need to learn some proper indie games, man. Yeah, absolutely. You know all the good shit, man. You suggested Rat Shaker, which was amazing, but still a bit weird. But so let's make that happen. Chat clip that. What did I say? Dude, don't clip. Only I can clip myself, okay? Because I mean, I basically looked for someone to clip my live streams and nobody was interested. Everyone was like, everyone who was interested, they were interested because they wanted to make money from me. And I was like, I was down to pay like $5 per short, which is a fucking insane price. I don't have that much money for just YouTube shit. So like, don't clip that anyways. Play GTA 6, dude. I don't have a computer that can run GTA 6. I mean, I can install it, but wait, GTA 6, dude, that's not even out yet. What the fuck? I don't want to run it on my PC. $40 is more than I made on YouTube yet. That's right. I made 0 at the moment, so big up, dude. The problem is I cannot really withdraw that money because YouTube wants to make sure that I'm real. So they sent me a package. And this package contains the PIN code that I should enter on their some fucking AdSense platform, and I haven't received anything yet. So how do I verify that I'm real? It's a weird system. That's like kind of old school. Like you can just make me record a video, or just make me like take a picture with a piece of paper which says I'm real or something. Instead, they just send you a real like package, and then you need to like receive it and then open it and so on. So I don't know. I don't know when I will receive the package, but I cannot withdraw anything from YouTube as of now. I came here to watch Minecraft Part 2, but I'm also okay to watch you while you're writing basic Rust driver for kernel. I'm writing a Rust driver. I'm actually rewriting Minecraft in Rust, so you'll be probably just so happy right now. I got you, man. Don't worry about it. Hello, YouTube. I like to withdraw 40 bucks. Okay, that will be 40 USD processing fee. Dude, I'm probably gonna fucking pay so much tax on this little package because it's been sent from United States. I mean, that's fucking annoying. Anyways, I'm down to go to zero, go actually below zero, because we're gonna make millions from this platform anyways, right? Probably not. Hack the system, they'll understand you are real. You took away free speech. I can't say a name of the game I want to recommend. Is the game called McDonald's Simulator or what? What do you mean you took away my free speech? Oh, you mean the moderator. Okay. What do you mean? Tell them they will be down. They make you pay for it? That's crazy. I don't know. We'll see about that, actually. I got a paper with code Google before it came in a few days with no payment from Google. I don't know why my thing hasn't been shipped, or why didn't I receive it yet, but we'll see. YouTube is not letting me say it. It's easy, Adam. Just like, you'll just press M, C, D, O, and that's easy, dude. But I mean, Rat Shaker, if you enjoyed Rat Shaker, click holding. I'm gonna ask my game expert Transistor, is that a good game? Have you joined the AI hype yet? Dude, I am all about AI hype now. No, not really. I don't know what you mean by AI hype, because everything is AI hype these days. Like these editors. Do you mean the editors, or like the freaking startups, or like what do you like? What is AI hype? If you enjoyed the Rat Shaker, debatable statement. True. Click holding. I'll keep that in mind. Okay, guys, it's time for actual Rust coding now. So let's start and see the viewer count go to 0. So let's go. Everyone will slow, like they will start to just click off the stream slowly. So it's very painful to watch, actually, because I have this like viewer count over here. And every time I started coding, I just watched that shit go down. Like, it's 8, then you see 6, 4, 3, and 1, and then eventually it's just Martin and me, and maybe Transistor. I don't know. You're just probably not watching, anyways. Why am I so? Okay, I don't want to say bad things. I know you guys will watch. Bring your Turkish friends into this stream. Okay, let's outnumber these Polish people. Let's go, guys. I don't want to offend anyone. I'm joking, you know that. All right. This is actually no speaking, no talking stream. But no, just kidding. So discovered NVIM's mirror cursor from watching your video. So thank you for that's awesome. That's awesome. I use it. That's super cool. The other day I had a date with someone, and then I showed them that I use this cool cursor effect, and then after that point we just went straight to their place. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just kidding. That didn't happen. I was just that was not real. I was just speaking from my ass. Anyways, these Polish clowns. I never asked playlist, but I need yours. You need like what playlist? You want a grind playlist, or what kind of playlist? Because I have a grind playlist now, which is amazing, dude. You should check it out. I listened to this in gym. I made so much gains from this. There you go. There you go. You have the ultimate grind. It's on SoundCloud though, so I'm not sorry about that. I don't use Spotify. But I will start using it probably. I'll just eat my words and start using it someday. Anyways, so guys, what I did is, Martin probably already saw this. I split things up into modules because that's a no-brainer, and I changed some stuff around in the code. First of all, I like how this is more clean now. Came here for the code session, got kebab intro. I'm all set. Let's go. Okay. I would have believed that story if you hadn't backed down, man. Dude. I wish. That's not real. Unfortunately, girls here, they don't use Nelvim. They just use fucking VS Code. Or even worse, Emacs. That was not real as well. Let's just go now. Okay. What I did is basically, I have this backend module now. It is a bit simplified because I realized, you know, this hyperlink thing that I wrote is just very messy. And don't mind the comments here. I will add these comments as like the function comments later on. Right now they are just explain very small parts of the code. It's like not very it's not in a good shape. Just understand the code, okay? Like read it and understand it. The good code documents itself. This is good code, all right? Probably not, but anyways, VS Code is good compared to JetBrains. Slot woman, I know you. Well, JetBrains, maybe they use Rust Rover. That also works for me. I have my own standards, you know. I like my women how I like my Neovim plugins. Okay, don't clip that. That was horrible. So right now I'm thinking, I have this idea where, you know, why are we calling on key event on backend, right? This is like, we have two closures and one of them is on backend, the other one is on the terminal. Dude, this is good for gym, but while coding I can break the keyboard. Okay, wait a minute. Guys, it's time that I finally reveal my like personal playlist. Okay, I'm just gonna like share my personal playlist with you also. 1 second. Sorry for interrupting the coding session, but I gotta do this now. And I'm gonna share this once, so just save it. All right, there you go. This is my playlist that I've been working on for a couple of years now. There are like cringe stuff in there, there are good stuff in there, there are actually Polish stuff in there too. Fucking hell, I have 5 Polish songs in there. Okay, so there you go. Alright, we're just gonna continue now. Don't get distracted. So we have 2 closures. One of them is on backend and the other one is on terminal, and I was like, okay, I don't wanna have 2 closures. So I'm thinking maybe we can move this. Wait a minute. I don't know. Maybe that's not a good idea. Let's try. Basically, I want to move this thing into the render on web closure. There you go. And this is basically for handling the key ones, but the problem with this is you don't have an access to the document, right? So to access the document, you need to you know, the document is here. So even though you make it public or do something with it, you're not gonna have access to it. So to make this thing work, maybe have another trait, something like backend document or something like that. This is bad, but anyways, and then implement that on what was in backend, and then here on render you can do something like T, where T is wait, did I make this thing public? I'm just trying. I don't feel like clicking to see. Be right back, I'm gonna eat more. Okay, McDonald's. Backend document. As of the turbo space each other, so that I managed to go down today. So there you go. Also, this should implement back into. Gonna make this thing static too now. Okay, that's fine, I guess. And also, this will also change. Oh my god, it's gonna be a mess. So what did I do? So basically what I'm doing is right now I'm trying to implement another trait on another trait which will eventually give me access to the document if everything goes right. I'm just experimenting actually. So now we have that. We should have on QEnd. No, so pub document. Now backend document is implemented on this type. So wait, why is it complaining? Private trait. Okay, I'll make it public then. So yeah, we implement that. So we should have access to the document function. But wait, why don't I see that now? What's going on? Flush. The resize. If this ends up very complex and if the user like, I don't want anyone to implement like 2 traits just to use this. So if that will be a requirement, I'm just gonna scratch this idea. But right now I'm just experimenting. So why is it not finding? Okay, backend document actually. Public trait. I am literally implementing that. Why are you complaining? Let's see. I've not checked your PR yet, but I found out that you can set event listeners directly on window. What? Yeah, I can probably query the window here, but let me try to do this first, because I'm very curious. If that doesn't work out, I'm just gonna do that. So that will be fine, I think. But let me see now. Document not found, because this is interesting. I'm basically trying to like combine 2 traits here. One of them is backend, the other one is the very horribly named backend document. Method not found itself. The following trait defines an item document. Perhaps you need to add a super trait for it. Oh, okay. Let's do that then. How do I, what's the syntax? Okay, that actually worked. Backend document is not implemented for terminal T. Request animation frame. I've sent you messages on Discord about like 5 minutes before stream with code example. Wait, let me actually check that now. I need to check it 1 second. It might be handy here too, so. I found out that you can attach listener directly by set on resize like this. Okay. Okay, maybe you can try it out on the draft and see if it works, because I basically implemented this thing twice now, and I don't want to do it for the third time here. My brain is pretty trashed with that implementation. So yeah. Okay, maybe you can just do that, or no, I need a generic, right? Terminal T. I'm just gonna make this thing a functional self. This probably won't work. Backend document is now implemented for terminal T. Well, it's not very important that we do that. So in order to get the document, we basically need to call these things, and I can just do it in here. I don't really have to do much with the trait magics and so on. Maybe yeah, I can just do that, man. I don't wanna do a bunch of traits. So forget about traits. We're just gonna do this now. Just gonna take the on key event, go here in the render. Oh, not here, actually. On key event self. So instead of self document, what we're gonna do is gonna get a document from here, and of course we're not handling any errors, which is sad, but for now this is okay. I mean, eventually I will add results to everywhere and then do a bunch of error handling, so don't judge. So now this code becomes terminal on queue end instead of backend queue end. This is better. This is much better. Let's see if this works. Trunk serve. It works. So now I need to refactor every little example based on this. This main will basically end up like this. Okay, on QEnd, terminal on QEnd. Let's try it out. Examples, demo, trunk serve. Okay, what? DOM test. Oh, I didn't change the name of the library, so let me do that. Also, year 2. Okay, it's nice, it's working. Let me do the same for Pong. Let's try Pong now. You know, it would be amazing if we have a demo for like a functional Pong with like, you know, like an actual Pong game that you can play with like keyboard, like arrow keys or whatever. That would be so good. But somebody just, you know, need to put some effort into that. Or maybe we can take the one of the Ratatouille Pong implementations and try to serve it on web. That would also work, I think. But yeah, okay, now this has been refactored. Let me check once again. Alright, we got that out of the way. Let me just commit that now. Man, I like this better. Like, look at this. We only need to hold 2 closures, terminal on QEnd and terminal render on web, and that's it. That's clean. You don't have to deal with backhand at all now. You'll just create the backhand and call stuff on terminal, which is great. Alright, better API. Let me commit this. Refactor, backhand. What was the name of the function? Implement on QEnd on terminal. Looks good to me. Ship it, yeah. This is breaking, but anyways, no one is using this right now, so this should be fine. We just in the very pre-alpha, super experimental stage for this, so yep. Okay. So next thing, basically want to refactor the key press stuff, like use actual enum or whatever, but I want to do something more fun. Let's see. I guess the dark mode stuff is handled by Martin. Markdown links. This is still a puzzling thing for me, but I have an idea about how to solve it. Responsive design. Should I like take a stab at this again? Maybe. I don't know. What should I do? Like, I'm very tired of handling the resize stuff. Maybe I'll take a break from that, or maybe I don't know. I can take a look at that tomorrow. Okay, so I have a question for Martin now. Trunk serve. So let's say you embed this thing in your website or whatever. right? And you want to assign some arbitrary JavaScript event to one of the things on the screen. Let's say when I click this bouncing ball is so hypnotizing. When I click here, or yeah, let's say when I click here, I want to catch that event and do some operation. How can we achieve that? What I'm saying is basically resizing is pretty much working, but there's probably a race condition. First frame. Yeah. Touch on click event on element. So, okay. Okay, let me rephrase that then. So right now the only way to communicate with the browser is that either you can like handle events, key presses, or like there's this hyperlink thing, right? What if I want to run like some JavaScript? I don't know if I can just form this question. Let me think. Basically, what I'm asking is, can we inject JavaScript into the widgets or like something like that? But I cannot really think of how that would look like because I never like actually did some web development. JavaScript is must. Okay, let me think about this. Okay, my internet was cut off, but I should be back now. I don't know if my question made sense to you. But maybe I need a real world use case to understand how this would work out. Okay, I'm pretty positive we can. Yeah, okay. Then yeah, let me actually do the resize thing now. Always cuts around this time. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Like 45-minute mark, it just dies. It's very consistent. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I will understand this better when I actually build a website, which is the plan eventually. I want to build a website for Terminal Collective, which is a meetup thing. I think if you add some JS script with some function, it will be added to global JS context in browser, and you can just call it with Rust, I guess. Yeah, okay, I see. Well, like, okay, so I have a simpler way to ask this now. So in here, let's say, you know, when I press Q, I want to call JS function. How do I do that, you know? That's my question, basically. I guess we need a helper function for that too. Now, when you set document title, you also maybe do something else. Yeah. Does that make sense now? There was an article in website talks about JS interop. Okay, send me a link if you find it. So this initialized variable should be a RC ref cell, because we don't want to. So basically Rust does not allow this. We want to access this from another context in a closure, to be more specific. And in that closure, you can only have one reference. That's why we need to do these Rust stuff, basically. So this code will be borrow. This will be replace. And here, what I did is basically this. I think I was removing the grid or something like that. Oh yeah, I was doing some stuff here. So let mute backend. Yep. Okay, remove the backend. Sorry, not remove. Return. Basically, you're not gonna append the child. We're not gonna append the grid when we start the app. We're just gonna create it and add it to our state. And when we flush, I think then we want to add it. In flush, let's see. So now if you run this, nothing's happening because we don't have the grid, you know. And in the flush code somewhere, there's flush. I'm gonna actually move this up there because it's super hard to find it. Yep, let's have it here. In flush, we will first set this to initialize true. We're gonna call pre-render and swap the buffer. But before we do that, so this is the initial render, right? It's the initial rendering step. We want to add the grid to the document. So what I did is basically I check if we already have the grid. Yeah, first of all, let me actually do this. So yeah, so we want to add the grid to the document. So we did that. No, actually, no. We check if it already exists. Remove it. We reset everything, and then we add it to the document. So in the first run, this part won't be called. So we will just add it to the document. So let's see. Yeah, this works. Let me actually run it like this so we can resize and see. I'm gonna make this thing smaller. And now it's kind of working, but okay. And when you resize it, what happens is here on the resize event, we set initialize to false. So next time you call flush, it's going to run this part. this is not being on the first render, but on the but only when resized. I'll come back at him. So yeah, this is being run when you resize the thing, basically. What is it exactly that you're working on right now? I'm trying to make a web application responsive, but this web application is written using Ratatouille and Rust. So yeah, this is kind of working. But there's a crash. Just gonna do this so that you're not gonna crash the render. So now should be all good, right? But what was the problem? I don't know. I don't remember the problem now. Like it's working. What was the race condition thing that you mentioned, Martin? Because this seems to be working. I'm gonna check your message again. Sometimes those borders are gonna... Our borders are gone after resize. Wait. So you sent me a code snippet. What's the difference in this code snippet? You can attach the listener directly by set on resize. Okay, let's do that. That's better. Let's see. So self window set on resize. That's better for sure. Thank you. Let me refresh. I think there was a race condition when you trash that div and buffers. Pulling pre-render to create spawns might draw from empty buffer because draw have not drawn anything in the buffer yet. Okay, let me try to reproduce that. Actually, I'm gonna turn off the dark reader. Oh, okay, I think that was not my problem, but my problem was basically like, look now, is it crashed? Okay, 142. Okay, this will... Wait, this doesn't make sense. Yeah, this will avoid the crash. But you see, my problem was this hyperlink disappears when you resize. Oh, also the borders disappear too. And the reason why the hyperlink disappearing is probably, let me check. I don't know why it disappears actually. Doesn't make sense. Is it because of this? Oh, I see. It's probably because we are calling pre-render after this, and in somewhere we are like you're clearing all the cells. So yeah. It's basically like it's removing removing the hyperlink style cells, or like skipping them somewhere or something like that. So yeah, there's a race condition, but I can't really wrap my head around it. By the way, zooming is not the same with the changing screen or window size. Zooming also changes the font size, etc. Good point. Let me actually... Well, I mean, when I resize, the hyperlink disappears. So maybe we should handle the resize thing first, and then we can change. We can handle the window. What is it called? Change font size or change size or whatever. Okay. But I mean, borders are gone now. Okay, what do we do? I'm basically where I started now. I think hyperlink has same problem as those borders, as they are static as well. Yeah. Okay, so in the draw function, do we get all the stuff or just the changed cells? Where's draw? Do we get all the cells here? Or just the changed ones? Probably all of them. But I mean, okay. Let me update my draft first. Do you mind if I push to main directly? God damn it. Okay. When you resize, you clear buffers, right? Yes. Yep, we do that. Then you expect to get this order of calls. Draw, pre-render, update. But you end up with this pre-render with empty buffer, draw, update. Okay, so let's document this. Let me just document that. So first one is draw. First. And pre-render. And this is called from flush. Flush is called after the draw function. And hold on, where's draw again? Call to update the get out of my way rustlang. Update the buffer with the new content, yeah, and then flush is called. Flush calls pre-render. Okay. And after that, in flush, we call update grid. Compare. Yeah, okay, that's the like life cycle, right? Okay, so because you're diffing all cells in update, those updated cells will diff against empty buffer. Okay, so let me go step by step. What are you using to have your cursor have that visual jump effect? It's called smear cursor env. Smear cursor env. Okay, so instead of that, what we are ending up with is in flush, no problem. Pre-render with empty buffer, yeah, we do that. Then draw update. Instead, draw, this should be draw pre-render update. Those updated cells will diff against empty buffer. And wait, we're gonna end up with 1 second. Basically, you need to somehow call draw before pre-render, yeah. How about we do this thing in draw instead? I tried that too, but that didn't work. Maybe that's gonna do the trick. Let's try that. Where's draw? I'm lost in this code. So yeah, here, right? Just do that, basically, and remove this, maybe. Wait, the hyperlink is gone. Oh no, it's not. Did that work? Yeah. You see, now that I check, it is slow now. I'm not a Rust developer, but I enjoy your work. Thank you, man. Glad to hear that. Why is it slow? Look at this. It's fast, but when I do this... Wait, it's fast. Maybe I was just hallucinating. Okay. Yeah. I guess this is better, but we have some glitch sometimes. Is this because of the hyperlink? Let me try to test without it. No, it's not about the hyperlink. Sometimes it just glitches out. We just accept that. It's fine, dude. I like those glitches, but that's not what people will expect to see. Yeah. Let's embrace the glitch. Now it's completely crashed. Because of this call. Okay. Let's see. Now we call draw first. I'm gonna try something. This will actually call in. This will be called in the first render. If I'm guessing this right. Let's try. Yeah, it's gonna be called in the first render. But this will be fine because we're checking it. Maybe if we could debounce those resize callbacks. What do you mean debounce? Get size buffer. And on resize event. Not sure what I understood, what you suggested there. Go like 10 times second when resizing, so just call them like 10 milliseconds after the last resize event. Oh, I got you. Not sure. I mean, this is not like. After the last one. I don't know. I mean, the resize event only sets initialize to false. So in somewhere, I think what happens is, since we call them continuously, we set initialize to false, and I mean, this should be fine though. In Flash. Also, I'm curious about something. Are we gonna get a crash now? Yeah. It's got a crash. So maybe here I should just return. But this won't actually fill. Wait, this is interesting because now it only draws the borders when this is being resized. Interesting. To be honest, resizing the whole window is mostly on mobile than min-max window. Yeah, I mean, this thing won't happen. Like, you know, you won't have this case anyways. Okay, that's not good. I don't know when it happens though. Like, I'm just very randomly picking stuff here, and it sometimes happens and sometimes it doesn't. Yeah. I like how the ball is still bouncing. Like, it doesn't even care about this glitch. Like, look at this. Still able to bounce, dude. It is just insisting on just bouncing. It's actually fun. Like, look at this. It's bouncing from a glitch. But when I refresh, it's gonna be fine. So there's some kind of a race condition. Force is strong with that ball, yeah. Okay, it crashed the whole thing. Come on, Copilot. Update the cells with new content. Yeah. I think I'll just push it like this to the draft. But I'm not gonna include this fix because this actually makes it a bit hard to debug. So now it crashes when you resize, right? And the reason for that is, you know, this buffers are different, and it's expecting to access an element which is out of bounds. But that's a bug, and I don't want to cover that bug by just having some conditions, so I'm gonna push it like this. And come back to it later, probably. If we cannot figure it out, we can add that condition, but we will figure it out anyways. Yeah, force push. Is it taking forever? What? Dude. Okay, I'm gonna actually include it. Come on, force push. I don't know what's wrong with my Git. Dude, I cannot push. What the hell? Is it because of pin entry? No. So weird. Can I... Is GitHub down? Guys, can you access GitHub right now? Is the problem on my side? Anyone having issues with GitHub? They just blocked me because I push so many commits. They just blocked me, man. Look at me. I cannot access GitHub. What is this? This is a joke. I literally cannot ping GitHub. For chose to blame fucking GitHub, kidding. Dude. No GitHub access. RIP. I'm gonna push this when I can, basically. Okay, no GitHub for me today. But yeah, I was just going to check out issues. I cannot check out issues now. It's amazing. Guys, let me restart my internet. I'll be back in 10 seconds, okay? Okay, now it's still the same. That sucks. That really sucks. Okay, what am I gonna do? I think you've just been banned. Probably. You grind too much. I'm honored to be banned because I grind too much. I am very honored. Microsoft doesn't like that. Did Turkey just cancel the whole GitHub? Maybe, man. I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest. Let's see the news. News. 10 GitHub repositories to master math. Use VPN. How am I gonna stream when I use VPN? The stream will be just so fucking laggy. So yeah, not gonna happen probably. I can say no way to GitHub ban. Yeah, that can happen. We're living in a very weird reality in Turkey. It's like very kebabi, you know. Just made that up. Okay, I'm totally like distracted now. What I was doing actually. Let me try the resize on the demo. You can use VPN as a browser. That's a good idea. You're smart. You're smart. But then I won't be able to push still. Okay, I use a VPN now and GitHub is back. Oh my god. Guys, we're gonna go old school now. I'm gonna edit the file on browser. Because that's where I can use VPN. You know, there's a whole Wikipedia article titled Censorship of GitHub, and it's pretty long. That's basically the history of the last 20 years of Turkey censorship. Okay, no, I'm not gonna actually edit the file on the web. But at least we can create some issues. Support calling a JS function from Rust. For example, we want to call a arbitrary JavaScript function when Q is in okay, I created the issue before I forget. That's good. Proxy chains. Responsive design. Okay, check out main. I want to keep refactoring the the backend. So what I want to do is, now that we use this hyperlink style, I want to change this to something like a data style or something, and have some kind of like indicators for a hyperlink and HTML and like other stuff, because we eventually want to pass more data to backend, not just like a hyperlink, you know. We want to have a text for the hyperlink because that's what we need for the paragraph thing, you know. So it's gonna be super hacky, but instead of just sending the link, we're gonna send something like a link, a like a split character, like a, I don't know, some pipe or something, and just split the string by that, which is super hacky, but that will probably work here. I don't know if there's any other way to actually communicate with the backend, because it's super generic, doesn't allow you to have some like state or something like that, so it's gonna be like a hacky thing. I mean, I cannot really change that at this point. So let's see. Martin, if you're still here, what do you think about a raw HTML widget? So you're gonna use this widget like very much like the hyperlink, but you'll be able to insert like custom stuff into the TUI. I don't know, something like, you know, something like this maybe. And we will have to figure out how to inject this into HTML, basically. Okay, stop yapping, main website in Ratatouille 1. It's coming soon. It's coming soon. That's why we are grinding right now. So yeah, the raw HTML widget for just injecting arbitrary HTML here. If we do that, it will be quite fun, because you'll be able to use buttons and stuff like that. That would be so weird, but you know, not like I'm not planning to use buttons, but maybe some people want to have like actual span code, or maybe, yeah, it might be useful, you know, like, you know, from Rust you're rendering a TUI, but in there you have like a HTML code, you know, so that might be fun. You can inject it for sure. Figuring out position will be tricky. Yeah, you're right. I mean, for the hyperlink, we know that it is like, you know, this thing has a fixed length, so each one is a cell. But in terms of like a button or something like, or just a span, it's gonna be a bit of a problem, because we don't know the length, you know. So yeah, you're right. But it's worth experimenting, I think. Okay, I remembered something. Cannot pull anyways, but just try. So now, when you want to use this thing, you need to add Ratatouille as a dependency, right? What if we just export it here? So you don't have to add Ratatouille as a dependency now. How about that, guys? smart or nah. What I mean is basically, instead of using Ratatouille, you now have Ratzilla. Ratatouille. On the web you can do stuff that you cannot do in terminal, like fetch data and call different crazy browser API like Bluetooth and WebSockets and whatnot. Yeah, I'm very excited for that. That brings us so many possibilities to play with actually. So it's gonna be great. Guys, this project is called Ratzilla now, in case you don't know. What do you guys think about the name? Actually, I can probably use Prelude here. Let me use Prelude. That didn't work. Okay, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back because that one was better. Okay, alignment, constraint, layout. So we are doing web dev, it's inevitable, yes. I'm a web developer now. I mean, I successfully avoided this moment for so many years. But I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Sometimes lives puts you in a position where you don't have any other option to choose from. So we are now doing web dev, guys. How do I feel about this, if you're asking? I feel quite in peace because I finally accepted my fate. Finally accepted that I will be a web developer for the rest of my life. You know, I don't have to fear anything anymore. There isn't something in this world that will actually make me feel worse than I am right now. So there's a peace in that, you know. I'm excited about payment requests if I make it rain with Rust internal in 2025. God damn. Stripe will be under fire. Billions. The grind means you follow the money. No, come on. But I mean, it is what it is, man. It would be a lie if I say that I don't enjoy what I'm doing right now. But just keep in mind that I'm not touching web stuff that much. It's still Rust. So, you know, I can just feel a bit better by thinking that. But I mean, at the end of the day, it is web stuff as well. Good night. Good night, Emirhan. Did you join the stream or are you going? Good morning, I mean, what? Still grinding. Good, keep it up. Never stop. I recommend Mark Lou. What was that? You can finally run TUI apps on your Samsung watches and fridges. You're making it out of the hood with this one. I want to tweet that when we have a cool demo, something like that. We have a cool demo, but I don't know. Wait, Martin, can we use, like, we can pretty much use like TypeScript or like React on and everything, right? At this point, because it's WebAssembly, so you can just like kind of embed this TUI thing into a web app at the end of the day. So, right? Am I right about this? I'm not sure, but you can pretty much do anything. If I get this right. Okay, now trunk React Native, it's called. Sorry. Wait, why is this slow now? Oh, is it like slow because of the... Not slow actually. Wait, what? Anyways. Can connect it for sure, okay. Run mobile on terminal. Wait, run mobile on what? That does not sound like what we're doing here. JS cast. But to be honest, I like Ratatouille Draw API better than React. Guys, we have official confirmation from an official web developer. He confessed that he likes Ratatouille more than React. It's not very... I mean, I'm not surprised. So, but yeah, we have official confirmation. Clip that, chat. Clip that moment, alright? He finally accepted. We are getting a W with this one. React is front-end Java at this point. Dude, you're savage, Martin. And I like that. Just spitting the facts at this point. Oh, GitHub is back, guys. GitHub is back, okay. That's cool. I can finally push this. Okay, Martin, I would appreciate if you can give this a try sometime, if you have time. Is it DNS or what? I have no idea. It just came back. out of nowhere. I mean, I spent so much time with their image UI and then moved to front end with React. So, okay, that one was a Java framework, right? Price in JavaScript. Pain. Build terminal themed web applications with Rust and WebAssembly, powered by Ratatouille. Do you like this description? Guys, tell me. Give me some feedback. Prerequisites. No, we don't need that. Actually, no. Quick start. Install. Uses trunk. Would be awesome. I mean, it's better with TS and bun, but still shit's wild. You know. What do you think of Linux gaming in general and the near future? No need to defend Linux itself since I'm already sold, but rather the compatibility. I don't really play much games in Linux. I played Minecraft and Rat Shaker recently. Both of them run very well. Actually, Rat Shaker is not made for Linux, so I guess Linux compatibility is kind of nice with that. And Proton and what was it? Proton is good. So yeah, it's promising. That's all I'm gonna say. Do it in a terminal-only computer. You would need nothing. Tmux, you're the king. I don't use either, by the way. What do you use? Are you using MacBook or what? You're probably using. Okay, let me guess. Probably using Slackware and GTK. Or like, yeah, some GTK desktop environments, right? Am I right? Here's a minimal example to serve this. I told him that GE Proton is better, but he just doesn't listen. Dude, I don't know what that is. You just tell me that something is better, but you don't really give me details. Why is it better? How do I install it? Is it like a drop-in replacement? Is it open source? What's the license? Did you package it for Arch Linux, by the way? You didn't give me any details. What do you expect me to do? Just research everything myself? I'm a busy businessman, alright? I'm trying to build a business over here. Like, Grind is not just a brand, okay? Just gonna make millions from... Yeah, okay, sorry, I'm just kidding. Examples. Let me have a minimal example somewhere. Let me actually remove everything. There's word on the street that SteamOS might be public one day. Since when do I care? I don't have a time to install it or even play. Fuck my life. I feel you, man. You're a busy grinder, I get it. It's open source, it's on AUR. What happened to your time? Did you just install and select from Steam? Dude, I don't even play much games, so what's the point? I'm gonna build a very simple counter example, okay? Counter. Counter. Is there a space key on JavaScript? Probably. Tried Portal 1 or 2 yet? No, it's in my list. We'll probably play it on stream someday. Could happen. Now my life is never-ending grind to feed 2 more people. Damn. I respect that, dude. Most valid reason I could have heard. Yep. I respect Martin. He's a real grinder among us. Counter, let's okay, we have the counter example now. I'm back once again. Stream was just gone for a second. There's an instant emotional damage to us Arch users. You're not even an Arch user. What are you talking about? You're just lingering in the void. Is there, but make sure it's event code, at least in JS. I think it was event code. We have to refactor it later on anyways. Okay. So, alright, let's solve that. Okay, space is not working. I don't want to debug this now. Maybe I'll just use some other key. Let's use Q. Okay. Alignment center. Alright, this is good enough, I think, for a hello world example. We'll update this anyways. Oh, event empty. Just okay, that makes sense. I can try to empathize. Empathize. Okay, yeah. Void users, by the way. Do you know a lot about Rust compiler? I was dabbling with a project of mine trying to reduce the binary size by removing lots of unnecessary strings. The binary contains a lot of path strings from some sort of panic or debug output despite compile and release mode without logging. I don't know much about it, but that sounds a fun thing to do. I think you can learn a lot about the internals by doing that. Did you succeed with reducing the binary size? Good old strip. And I'm gonna unwrap it here. Actually, I'm gonna return a IO result. Yeah, this is it. Hello world example. No, not hello world, but just a minimal example. Let me actually import this too. Succeeded stripping like an extra 1.6 megabyte, but there's still quite a bit of unwanted paths. That sounds like a very interesting blog post. I'm just saying, because I saw that there was another one reducing in half or something. Yeah, did you see this one? This is not like doing compiler optimizations, but more like, you know, approaching this problem as a user and trying to like finding different methods to, like, you know, trimming down dependencies and so on. So if you can write a blog post like this, I think this would be so great. The issue has somewhat being raised on GitHub, but no perfect solution yet. It has been called a privacy issue as well. Interesting. Must have followed a similar write-up on GitHub. Are you on Discord? Maybe send a link to the issue. I'm curious now. Or send it to me somewhere. If you're on Discord, it's easier. Okay, let me copy that. What's the Discord link? Okay, powered by Ratatouille. And web. No, just Ratatouille is enough here. Okay, let's see the README. This is great. Actually, how about we generate a fun quote from this? Generate a fun slogan about Godzilla from this project description. That's cringe. That's also cringe. Stomps through JavaScript. I don't know. What else? What is kaiju level performance? What? Dude, this is so gay. I didn't even watch Godzilla. Anyways, guys, if you have any suggestion, go ahead. For now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I would appreciate some review on this. Alright. I'll rename the repo too, because why not? Says WebAssembly test project. Okay, So what's left? We basically need to handle the resize. This CSS thing that you did, Martin, is great. I like that. So we need to do that. Injecting JavaScript, or just support calling JavaScript functions from Rust as well. Maybe try injecting HTML. This thing, markdown links. I can work on this probably tomorrow. Yeah, we can do that tomorrow. And yeah, I think that's it. Then we can start like actually building apps and see what's missing. Paying for GitHub Copilot but using free ChatGPT, just peak grind. I don't pay for GitHub Copilot, man. I have a university email address. You know what I'm saying? I just use that and get GitHub Pro. Easy. If you ask me how do I have a university email address, because yeah, I just do. Do you want to support pointer events as well? Yeah, I think yeah, we want to do that as well. Okay, let me create some issues. Refactor event handling. Okay, improve event handling. I would pay for not seeing GitHub Copilot anywhere. May the grind never ends. Mr. Dick is just dropping the grindhouse motto for no reason, but thank you for the reminder. Use enum for the event type. Use an or use a. You need to make the event handling more ergonomic instead of using raw strings, and also handle other events. Use a enum type for the key press events. Handle the pointer events. Okay, there you go. Drop me your grindcoin wallet MD5 some. YouTube not gonna let me. Adam is just demoted. Is demote the correct word for that? Yeah, you demoted, man. Send you some links in Discord. Okay, awesome. Adam, do you want your moderator thing back? Just accept that you work at McDonald's and I'll give it to you. Just kidding, man. I'm just making moderator. But don't ban stuff for don't ban people for no reason, okay? Okay, I guess that's it. That's it for today. We're gonna continue tomorrow. This was productive. At least the code is looking way better now. And we're gonna remove the main function anyways. This is just for convenience. All looks promising after refactor. Let me see the readme again. Gotta go to bed now. Good night, man. It was nice having you here. Let's catch up tomorrow. I'd answer in B64, but YouTube not gonna let me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna rewrite my blog in Bradzilla. The link stuff, we need to still handle the paragraph things, but I think we're good now. Poggers, ratters. So yeah, keep the bouncing ball when you do. Yep, absolutely. Alright, guys. He'll grind so much at work tomorrow. At work, I'm gonna earn Grinder premium account for free. Oh my god. Man, life's tough. Peace. Grinder. Why Grinder is called Grinder? It's just they just stole our name and just make it. They made it gay, dude. Like, why? Doesn't even make sense. Like, what is that? Somebody's just gonna explain it to me now. They will say, hey, actually, grinding means this and that in the gay jargon, whatever. Grinder not officially endorsed by Grindhouse that they have. Absolutely. Guys, we need to reach out to more people. That's for sure. I haven't shared the not affiliated with the grind. I haven't shared the grind house links anywhere on socials. But we need to go big. I'm thinking of creating like a short video, maybe, just to introduce it, or maybe I won't. I don't know. Let's see. What do you guys think? How can we just go big with this? I want more grinders, okay? More people grinding. If you have a LinkedIn profile, can we even go any bigger? That's fair. That's fair. I'm actually going to add myself. Like, I'm gonna add an experience to my profile as I don't know, grinder or something like that, or CEO of Grindhouse or some shit like that, and I'm gonna share with my network. Bunch of people will see me. My fucking it's gonna be funny. My neighbors will see it and they will like, oh wow, this guy became a CEO of some company. Wow, congratulations. That's awesome. You're awesome. And next day, my friend from freaking I don't know, high school or something, they will see my work experience update, and they will be like, hey, I saw you started working as a CEO. That's very, very great. I'm happy for you and stuff like. Dude, that's my own company. Okay, that's the Grindhouse. Funny. The other day I posted something like, my blood test results are in. There's oxide in my blood. I made like a rusty joke, as usual. And then some people who were not really familiar with Rust actually sent me a DM and asked if I was okay or not, because if you're not familiar with Rust, oxidization in blood sounds very, very scary. So they were actually they asked me if I was doing fine or what was it about. So if I just post that I became a CEO of Grindhouse or some shit like that, people will believe it. And that's actually true, but I mean, LinkedIn is so shady. Even shadier than Meta. Dude, LinkedIn is great. LinkedIn is great. Add me on LinkedIn, guys. But I'm actually gonna like post it because that's the most like guaranteed way of getting clicks. Because LinkedIn always boosts when you share like a work update. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna share a work update with the link to Grindhouse, and then boom, we got a bunch of new people coming in. LinkedIn keeps spamming my email despite unsubscribing. Yeah, I take that back. Meta is still shitty, dude. I created a Facebook account. It's still not approved. It is. I've been like banned from Facebook before even getting into Facebook. Like I created the account fresh, you know, like nothing in there. I didn't even set my profile pic. I didn't even see the Facebook feed or anything. I created my account. I got suspended. They wanted me to take a selfie, you know. I took a selfie, sent it to them, and they didn't approve me. What the fuck? They spam me despite me not having an account. Dude, I don't get it. Like, I'm not gonna scam anybody on. Like, Facebook is full of old people anyways. Like, what am I gonna do there? CEO if is overrated, go full president of China. Okay, that's actually better. I'm just gonna add myself as a president. Share this as a work update, and my fucking uncle in Germany, he will see that and will be like, wow, celebration, great. I'm happy for you. You made it. Finally, you finally found a job. You're going, yeah, dude, come on. DDFL of Grindhouse and CEO. I'm thinking if I should just add myself as a terminal chef or something. Probably Turkey banning Facebook. Yeah, maybe. But I don't remember if I was using a VPN while creating an account. Maybe I used the VPN. Maybe that's why I was suspended immediately. But either way, I was in Germany, like through VPN, so I don't get it. Terminal Messiah. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's like full on Terry Davis shit, man. I have president of front end at company team, so yeah. That's great. Yeah, we'll see. I'll come up with a plan. But yeah, I want to have more people in, basically. But this is not like, you know, I have to do it now or something like that. I see this thing as a long-term project, you know. And I'm giving myself a year. If I don't succeed in my terms in a year, I'm just gonna turn it off, dude. Like, close it. I don't know, delete it. Because I mean, I'm paying money to keep this thing up, and if I don't make any money from this, what's the point? Like, you know, I want at least some people to buy some merch and just flex a bit, you know. That would be cool. Second coming of the VT100, so just do the terminal at this point, or TTY. The terminal. I'm just gonna have like a dev/TTY on LinkedIn. But guys, I mean, why are you not buying merch? Come on, what the hell? Everyone is broke or what? Adam, you're a president at McDonald's. Why are you not buying merch? I mean, Transistor, I know you for a while now, and you don't even sponsor me on GitHub. Like, what the hell, dude? Instead, I'm paying you to be a moderator. What is this? What is this? Why am I supporting you? You're getting paid. You're not even doing your job, dude. I mean, I sent a link to the join grindhouse.dev today. You're not quick enough. What is this? You gotta stop being broke. But real talk though, if I succeed from this, I'm never gonna forget about you guys, okay? You guys are my first day friends, okay? It's probably not gonna happen. 1 year later, we're just gonna be here again, grinding on something else. But I'm happy. I don't have high ambitions. I'm I have some ambitions, but let's see. Guys, in 2 minutes I gotta go. Let me just grind on some other projects. I remember I gotta do something. Our boy Lil Orhun will keep rapping about us when he's reached the top. Of course. The worst thing about making an album is that making an album and not a single, because I want to share the new music with you guys, but this is an album, okay? So you gotta wait. I gotta grind a bit more and just have like an actual finished product, and then I can share it with you. Grind Ratatouille sneaker collab is fire. Absolutely. It's fine. Like, did you see the what was the, okay, let me show it to you 1 second. You know, the actual fire thing is, oh my god, this is looking so bad with the dark reader. The actual fire thing is this. It's fucking sick, dude. Look at this. There's no weekends. And on the bottom, every second matters. And on the top, you have the grind. Okay, this is so sick. Also this one, for the fellow gym rats, it's also sick. Oh my god, sneakers, man. Oh my god. Only the fearless can be great. That's from Ratatouille. Also, we got the, what was the other quote? Sleep is for the weak. Absolutely. Remember how early I joined the Grindhouse? Of course. What DAW you use? I'm using FL Studio. I think that waste bag is awesome. Yeah. Guys, come on. Look at this. High quality. By the way, I ordered something myself to make sure about the quality. So at this point, I'm losing money. Because I realized... Dude, this is so fucking weird. I ordered something and I checked my profit. It literally said -$1. Like, I actually lost money from buying something, because the prices are too cheap. I'm not even making much from this. Well, let's see. Where's the thing that I wanted to show to you? Yeah, look at this. Guys, let me cook. Also, this is one of the recent additions to the shop. You have a bunch of colors. Thermally obsessed. Sick in the head, you know what I'm saying? Long time since I used that. It was more of a toy back then. Yeah, FL Studio has a long history. What do you use, Martin? Fruity Loops. Guys, look at this. Thermal Chef glitch hat. It's glitched because it has some glitches, you know? You have the glitch. Dude, I put little details into these stuff. Really spent some time. But yeah. Guys, buy some merch. FL was an adult game studio first. Image line, yeah. Thank you. I'm glad that you think the design is good. FL was supposed to be a game. Guys, let's make some music now. Alright, we're gonna make some music. Because talking about FL Studio, it's a good opportunity. Alright. Let me find some melody. Or maybe some just I don't know. I want to make something simple. For a second I thought the apron was actually a grocery bag. Dude, that thing is gonna be sold like crazy. Okay, what am I gonna do actually? Cobell. We're gonna use Cobell. That's it. That's our sound. That sounds horrible. So we're gonna choose that one. Okay, there you go. A nice Cobell. Gonna do the trick here. Okay, piano roll. Do a custom theme. No, I don't have time to write this. That was horrible. That's it, guys. Just 2 notes, it's enough. It was free. How much was that sound? It was free. Free. From the internet. Illegal. Why does it sound so bad? What is wrong with this? It sounds very off to me. There you go. Now we're talking. This is a weird ass music. That's it, guys. No more Cobells, okay? We're just gonna add the bass now. Just gonna add the bass. Also, of course, we're gonna add this thing. Music to shake a rat to. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Bass. Bass. Now we're talking, man. It's actually better. What the hell was that? Dude, these stuff are weird. I don't like them. There you go, tractor bass. Music to grind your teeth to. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is so sexy. How do we set the? How do we do the like enable melody stuff from this again? Adam, you showed me once. We resample, I guess. This doesn't sound right. How do we do that? Resample time 0. Guys, look at this 808 now. Okay, I'm gonna set a glide up. Cause you're such a grinder, I'm gonna set it so high up. Let's hear that glide. Okay, I don't like this. This is better. Where's the tractor one? Yeah, there you go. Just gonna use a tractor bass here. Tractor bass is awesome. It's literally sound of a tractor. Now listen. Look at this bass. It's gonna sound so sexy. Now we're gonna put this on. Gonna add some delay effect to this, of course. That's my trick. You got the secret sauce now. Gonna add the stereo shaper to it. You know what I'm saying? Get the delay on this. Not make it too high. There you go. Now listen to the bass. It sounds like shit. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Maybe not enough. Okay, we need a kick now. We need more 808s. No. I'm gonna add the Minecraft sound effect. Don't worry, I got you. Minecraft as the kick? What? Just came with the background. Will this be the background sound of the streams? Yes. Okay, Minecraft, guys. Time for the Minecraft, okay? Let's find the We're gonna fucking kill this shit with Minecraft. That snare is so bad. That snare is so bad. 1 second, I have a better snare. Of course, everything is freaking downloaded from the internet. Don't ask stupid questions, okay? I don't even pay this shit. Okay, there we go. My favorite snare. Okay, I need a very disgusting bass now, like very bad. Something sounds really, really bad, okay? This is good. There you go, guys. You need a filter at the start of every red section. What filter? That bass is so bad. Oh, filler. Oh, sorry, I didn't. Yeah. Oh. We are talking, guys. We are now talking. Not really. Low octave super stay like REC always makes my skin crawl. Your sample guy. I'm just freestyling, dude. It's not serious. It's not serious. Stop, what is going on? enough. Oh, it doesn't sound that good actually. Okay, this is good. Let's find another Minecraft sound effect. Minecraft heavy. Villager sound. Okay, let's find a villager sound. There you go. It's not a villager sound, but this will do as well. Just start of every red section. Anvil. Do you want to put anvil on every red section? Anvil break. Guys, this is just Minecraft music now. Guys, what do you think? Do the cave noise and cut the first note from the pattern, but only once. I mean like this? Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. That's too much work. But okay. How about this intro? How about this intro? Guys, we have a burp sound. I never heard this in Minecraft. I don't know if there's actually a burp in Minecraft. Probably not. But feel free to enlighten me if there is. So we're gonna add a little burp here, because why not? Yeah, that's what I'm doing, Adam. Maybe something like this. Now the second part. You think I was done? I am never done. Still grinding. Pattern 16. Second part. Hell yeah, man. Actually, anyways, let me just do this on another stream, dude. But yeah, take that. Just give it a listen for the last time, okay? I just wait. I disabled everything, right? That's why we didn't hear anything. Let me just play it again. All right, give it a listen. Great. Save it. Exit. Come back here. Set the audio volume. Okay, guys. I guess thanks for tuning in. I gotta go now. I don't know what the fuck happened in the last 30 minutes. I look away for a second and you spit fire. I don't know what happened, dude. But it was fun. I guess thanks for tuning in. Buy merch. Just do it already. We're gonna just continue tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a long day, okay? I'm gonna go and grind on another project now. Don't think that I'm gonna go to sleep. Sleep does not exist, okay? Only this weak people sleep. We don't. Yeah. Drink some water. You're back. I am gone, guys. May the grind never end. Join the grindhouse. Join that grindhouse.dev. I'll see you tomorrow. And good night, everybody. Keep grinding, okay? Love you. Peace.